Could there be a private location in Costa Rica that houses 3 hidden waterfalls? How do you get there? And what creatures lie ahead? Today, in this video, I'll take you on the experience of your life and hopefully encourage you to discover this great treasure and many more. Let's begin. Our journey first begins at a special home in Costa Rica, where this homeowner has the most beautiful garden you can think of. But first, we get treated to some nice organic veggie drink with some nice cultural snacks. So after leaving our friend's house, we traveled about 15 minutes to arrive at the private entrance in an attempt to enjoy these gorgeous waterfalls. Ahead of us was about a 20-minute hike with some beautiful sightseeing along the way. So these rainbow eucalyptus trees have a unique feature as they hold like a cool temperature to the touch. So one of the things I love about this property is it has a kind of like a camping station here. This is a location within the property where you can come as a group. Yeah, you can come as a group, and they have everything set up for you here. If you want to stay in some tents, they have some nice tents. You can see this one here. This one probably holds about one person. There's no one in there right now. I thought there was because it's just closed up, look like it's been used that day. You got some shoes there at the bottom. But this place is so beautiful. You can bring a small group, a fairly large group. You can get comfortable to have all the amenities that you need. There's water here available for you. They got some nice benches for you to sit on. Yeah, you got some here you got the kitchen sink. You know, you got pans and pots. You have this right here, like little fire pit section here. And you can burn some wood up, get some heat going, start cooking. This is a really nice place in the mountains. Beautiful weather, nature's beautiful sounds outside taking place, and it's just very, very well set up. And you gotta love the wood. I love wood, and just seeing everything built, all the furniture, everything built with wood. It's really good deal here. Now let's keep going. After what started as an off-road trail that quickly turned into a walking trail, we could hear from a distance the water roaring, and we knew we were finally approaching the waterfall. So what I love about this first waterfall is that you can walk around it and then stand above it holding onto some rails to kind of get a better epic view, if you will. So the journey did not end with this one waterfall. We actually continued upstream the river to see the second waterfall in Cascade. Yes, one waterfall feeding the other. And what we were able to see, the rocks or boulders, if you will, it was just jaw-dropping. So let's take a look. So this is me pretty much walking up to the second waterfall. I love this route. I love everything about this tour, this path that we took, because when you get to walk through the river, there's high and low spots, but this is me coming up to the second one. And I'm gonna show you, give you a close-up of how crystal clear this water is. The temperature is perfect. It's nice and cool. And I'm looking at our tour guide, Seka. That's his name, Seka. He's like, hey, go for it. You can drink some, sip some of that water, man. It's the best water. And I go for it. And let me tell you, it tasted so good. And perfect timing, because we've been walking for a while. And that's it. Shout out to Seka, our phenomenal tour guide, who was very patient, very informative with this whole trail and made it very safe for us. And to our good friends. We met a new friend on our way. That's a green snake there. Don't know too much about it, but yeah, we just made sure we stayed a safe distance from it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you.